I picked up a new floodlight camera, a Ring camera, and this one is a wired version. So let's do an unboxing, let's do an install, let's talk about it. We have a Ring doorbell camera, and we truly love it. It's pretty awesome, easy to use, and it works great. So we decided to add to our inventory with the new floodlight camera. Actually, I installed two. Today, we'll unbox this one, we'll take a look, and then we'll install it, and then we'll take a little look at the app as we set it up and a couple of its functions. So stay tuned. At this point of the unboxing, I started to get a little nervous. There's a lot of screws here. I only had to use one for this install. It comes with all the tools you need, all the pieces you need, right here in the box. So you don't need absolutely anything but this screwdriver, this bag of screws, which you may need one or three, depending, and your camera. Thinking about wiring something used to make me super nervous. Not anymore. I promise this is easy. You could do it no problem. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So, no worries. Hey you, watching our video. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up and let us know how we're doing in the comments. Step 1. Turn the power off from the breaker. If you don't know which breaker, turn the whole house off. It doesn't matter. An easier way, flip the switch off. The switch that controls that light, turn it off. Then there's no power going to it. Here's where that big bag of screws came in. I didn't need any of them. They didn't fit, so I reused the ones that were already there. Worked great. Pro tip, set the screw. Then get the bracket, put it in, set the other screw, and then tighten it up. Here's that one screw I needed. Just this one. Fit right in there, got it out of the package, screwed it in, tightened it up, we're good to go. Most light fixtures, fans, come with a strap and a hook, and so did this one. So you could just strap it on, let it hang, hook up the wiring, and then finish the install. For those not familiar with wiring, it's actually pretty simple. Black goes with black, white goes with white, and then there's a green wire, and on the house there's a bare wire with no coating. So the green wire is the ground, and so isn't that bare wire, so those two go together. Once you connect the black and the whites, there's only one wire left. Go ahead and hook it up. All right, here's the second time I had to get in that bag of screws. At the very last package, package G, there's 2 bolts in there. They screw right on, and then you're good to go. And the cool part is that screwdriver comes apart, and when you pull it apart, the piece fits right over to tighten that up. So you use the same tool to tighten it up. Okay, set the lights and camera where you want them, and then you go ahead and check the app and make sure the camera is pointing in the direction you want. Once that's all set, you're good to go. Just finish the setup in the app. Again, they made the setup extremely easy. Scroll to the bottom, set up a new device, pick which device you have. Scan the QR code. The QR code for your device is located either on the back of the device, it's already installed, or the instruction booklet that came with it. So let's scan that. Okay, we're just going to walk through, just answer the questions on the screen. All right, congratulations, we are done. We are set up and ready to go. Let's check out a couple features. Pretty cool. So straight from the app, now I can turn the lights on and off. We can turn on and off motion detection. Sometimes that gets a little crazy. Siren alarm, you can turn that on if you'd like. And that lasts for 30 seconds, or unless you turn it off. But there's a lot of options here. So check it all out, play with it, have some fun, and learn all about your new technology. Well, we've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. You got to get out there, get your Ring camera, get it installed, get it set up, and have a little fun protecting yourself and your family. Thank you so much for watching.